Yeah.
Hi, this is Bruce, New America Construction. This is the garage of the home, and same thing here. We're going to remove all of the existing siding. The garage is already insulated.
After he checked his level and is secure with the window. He has to fasten it. These ones come with 5 screws. You want to install the starter strip by placing the nails about every 16 inches. Centered on the slot. Make sure.
Here we are with the installation of vinyl cedar shake siding. As you notice, everything has to be some type of architectural art like this. See, so much can be done with vinyl siding. You just need the right
Because we were able to level off the house,
I'm here with Andy and Mary Beth Thompson in Glen Rock, New Jersey. We just finished installing All Sides Prodigy siding. And guys, what can you say about the installation? How do you like New America Construction service?